Hey guys, what's happening? How to get a free delivery on Amazon Australia. Meet the minimum spend. You can spend over $39 on eligible items and get a free standard shipping, right? Next, you can see right here all the ways to save on Amazon. You can see that today's deals, outlet, subscribe and save. You can subscribe to the Amazon Market, I believe, right, to get a coupon in groceries for your home, right, to save 10% off auto deliveries, right? You can also use coupons and buy more and save, and you can get right here free delivery on your first eligible order, right? And you need to meet that criteria, obviously. Okay, next, Amazon Prime, right? So you're gonna type Amazon Prime Australia, right? And enjoy free shipping on millions of items with a 30-day free trial, right? Next, what you're gonna do, look for free delivery items, right? Go and just look for the products on Amazon, right, to get a free delivery. Some products offer free shipping without a minimum spending, right? Use subscribe and save as we mentioned before, right? Go ahead, subscribe and save. Get a free shipping on recurring orders for essentials. And bundle your purchases. Order multiple items together to reach the free shipping threshold, right? By buying more and saving. Pro tip, Prime members also get faster shipping and exclusive deals. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.